Hello everyone, my name is Subhrajit Roy. In this video, I have given you 20 GK questions from the SSC previous year question, very important for your upcoming competitive exam. Then you are watching videos. Then without waste your time, let's start. Question 1. Which musical due is part of the Khyal singing lineage of the Banaras Gharana? Option A. Ranjan and Sajan Misra. Option B. Salamat Ali and Najaat Ali Khan. Option C. Kasim and Shobha Bab. Option D. Sandhya and Roshan Banerjee. Option answer A. Ranjan and Sanjan Misra. Importance. Pandit Gopal Misra is widely recognized as the founder of the Banaras Gharana in the Khyal singing traditions. Pandit Ram Sahai is the founder of the Banaras Gharana of Tabla. Pandit Gopal Misra is Khyal singing and Pandit Ram Sahai, the founder of the. Question 2. The PM Swanidhi schemes is run by which ministry of the government of India? Option A. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Option B. Ministry of Finance. Option C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option D. Ministry of Rural Development. Option C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question 3. After which of the following act did India come to be governed in the name of the British Crowns? Option A. Government of India Act 1919. Option B. Government of India Act 1958. Option C. Charter Act of 1853. Option D. Charter Act of 1833. Option Government of India Act 1858. Government of India Act 1858. Important points. The Government of India Act 1858 was a landmark legislation passed by the British Parliament following the revolt of 1857. It ended the rule of the British East India Company and transferred authority over India directly to British Crown, making the beginning of the British Raj. The Act abolished the dual governance systems under the Pitt's India Act, dissolved the Code of Directors and the Border of Control, and vested power in the Secretary of State for India. Question 4. Which of the following is an inert gas most commonly found in light bulb? Option A. Hydrogen. Option B. Argon. Option C. Oxygen. Option D. Radon. Option B. Argon. Option B. Argon is an inert gas most commonly found in light bulb. Question 5. Which of the following books is not authored by R.K. Narayan? Option A. The Jungle Book. Option B. The Guide. Option C. Swami and Friends. Option D. Malgudi Days. Answer of the questions. The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. Important points. The Jungle Book is a collection of stories written by Rudyard Kipling in 1894. The Guide, Swami and Friends and Malgudi Days were written by R.K. Narayan. In 1964, R.K. Narayan was honored by Padma Bhushan on the Republic Day. Question 6. Dash was executed at Lahore in November 1915 for his role in the Gardar conspiracy in February 1915. Option A. Kartar Singh Sarabha. Option B. Tantiar Mama. Option C. Bijoya Singh Pathik. Option D. Maganbai Patil. Option A. Kartar Singh Sarabha. Article dash of the Indian Constitution of India deals with provisions related to the administration and control the scheduled area and scheduled tribes. Option A. Article 222 clause 1. Option B. Article 244 clause 1. Article 244 clause 2. Article 222 clause 2. Answer. Article 244 clause 1. Important points. Article 244 clause 1 provision of the 5th schedule shall be extended to the administrations and control the scheduled area and of the scheduled tribes in every state then Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Article 244 Clause 2 applies the Schedule 6 schedule to the administrations of tribal area in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, providing constitutional recognitions for autonomous governance in this region. Question 8. In which stadium did Indian cricketer Sourav Ganguly take off and waved his t-shirt? Option A, Cape Town Stadium, South Africa. Option B, Lord Stadium, England. Option C, the Melbourne Cricket Ground, Australia. D, Perth Stadium, Australia. Answer option B, Lord Stadium, England. Question 9. Dash is the first Indian female to win a silver in the Olympic. Option A, PV Sindhu. Option B, Tanvi Lat. Option C, Arundhati Pantwane. Option D, Saina Nehwal. Answer option A, PV Sindhu is the first female to win a silver in the Olympic. Hornbill Festival is organized every year in which of the following states? Option A, Nagaland. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Goa. Option A, Nagaland. Important points. Festival of Nagaland or Hornbill Festival celebrated from 1st to 10 December. Eoliang Festival by Konark Koyak Naga tribe. Motsu Festival celebrated by Ao tribe and Shekini. Question 10. Which of the following dances of Goa is performed to celebrate the victory of the Maratha warriors over the Portuguese? Option A, Ghore Modni. Option B, Jamendo. Option C, Morulem. Option D, Kof. Option A, Ghore Modni. Ghore Modni dance of Goa is performed to celebrate the victory of the Maratha warriors over the Portuguese. Important points. Dance of Goas are Mando during Ganesh Chaturthi, Fogdi, Chagor, Dekni, Dhalo, Tarangmel. Tarangmel is a holy and Dasara festival. Sao Jao, Gonf during festivals after the harvest, Gonf. Romat, Ghore Matni. Question 11. The Bidar Fort of Karnataka is irregularly dashed in shape. Option A, rhomboid. Option B, circular. Option C, rectangular. Option D, square. Option A, rhomboid. Question 12. According to Indian meteorology, which of the following is not a season experience in India? Option A, the southwest monsoon season. Option B, the hot weather season. Option C, equatorial season. Option D, the cold weather season. Answer equatorial season. According to Indian meteorological, equatorial season is not a season experience in India. Question 13. Who was the man who decrypted the Brahmi script of Maurya period? Option A, James Mill. Option B, James Princip. Option C, Rakhaldas Banerjee. Option D, Herbert Hope Risley. Option B, James Princip. Important points. The Brahmi script is one of the oldest writing systems of Indian subcontinent and the ancestors of most modern Indian script. Its oldest fully confirmed use appears in the Maurya period, especially during the region the Emperor Ashoka 268 to 232 BC. The Ashokan rock and pillar edict inscription carved across the Indian subcontinent were written by mainly in Brahmi script in Prakrit language. Question 14. In general, deficit is considered as a dash concept. In general, deficit is considered as a flow concept. Important points. In economics, a flow is variable measured over a period of time representing the movement or change the economic activities. Question 15. Who was appointed as the Viceroy of India in place of Lord Wavell in February 1947? Option A, Lord Lilithgow. Option B, Lord Willingdon. Option C, Lord Mountbatten. Option D, Lord Irwin. Answer of the questions. Option C, Lord Mountbatten. Important points. Mountbatten is historically renowned as the last Viceroy of India and the first Governor General of independent India in 1947. He oversees the transitions from British colonial rule to independence, including the partitions of India and Pakistan and the integrations of princely states. Question 16. Which of the following age groups is considered as working populations or working age in India? Option A 15 to 40 years, option B 0 to 60 years, option C 15 to 69 years, option D 25 to 65 years, option C 15 to 59 years. Question 17. In which state is Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary located? Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary located in option A Telangana, option B Gujarat, option C Odisha, option D Maharashtra. Option A Telangana. Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary located Telangana. Question 18. According to the National Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index 2025, which state has the lowest proportions of poor? Option A Assam, option B Bihar, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Tamil Nadu. Option B Bihar. Option B Bihar. National Dimensional Poverty Index 2025, Bihar has the lowest proportions of poor. Question 90. Which of the following rights provides a remedy for a person who has been unlawfully held in prisons? Option A certiorari, option B habeas corpus, option C mandamus, option D prohibitions. Option B habeas corpus. Habeas corpus rights provides a remedy for a person who has been unlawfully held in prisons. Important points. Habeas corpus is a resource in law through which a person can report an unlawful detentions or imprisonment to a court and request that the court order the custodians of the persons, usually a prison's officials, to bring the prisoners to court to determine whether the detentions is lawful. Habeas corpus. Question 20. Bhupen Hazarika Setu, also called Dhola Sadia Bridge, which connect Assams and option A Sikkim, option B Meghalaya, option C West Bengal, option D Arunachal Pradesh. Option D Arunachal Pradesh. Important points. The Dhola Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, is a beam bridge in India, connecting the northeast state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Answer the question in comment section. Question. Which article of the Constitution of India specially address the qualifications for the office of the President? Option A Article 50, option B Article 56, option C Article 58, option D Article. Thank you so much friend watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe my channel and enter key. And do not forget to click bell icon. Go to get the notification.